O ancestral spirits, rise from the smoke.
Great spirits of the forest, hear our call. Awaken the ancient powers within this grove. We call the jungle spirit. We call the light within. We call upon the spirits of the deep wood.
Rise, ancient ones.
Earth protect us, spirits guide our way, chase the shadows back to the night. We call upon the ancestors, hear our plea. They are too strong, run for your lives!
It is spreading too fast. We cannot stop it.
We cannot let them suffer, Elder. The spirits demand kindness.
Your compassion blinds you, boy. The forest demands obedience to the ancient laws.
Elder, we have failed the forest. The trees we cut have brought suffering to our village.
I admit my mistakes. My heart trembles with regret.
Unbind them. We will speak of peace this day.
Great spirits of the forest, we ask for harmony. Let the waters flow peacefully between us.
Forgive us, Mother Earth. We ask for your forgiveness for the harm we have caused.
Give us, Mother Earth,